everyone, I'm Roxanne and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a jewellery haul by a wonderful jewellery brand called Linjer. They have kindly collaborated with me, so everything that you see within this video is gifted, but everything that I mention and talk to is 100% my opinion, and I'm so excited to share what I've chosen. And I'm completely obsessed. Also, this is the first time that I'm filming in front of a Christmas tree, so I hope you're feeling festive, and if not, and if you're watching this video, it's making you feel festive because my little nutcracker here is with me. Very excited about that. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. I was sent 3 beautiful rings. So if you didn't know, I am obsessed with rings. Obviously I have my wedding rings, but I do love kind of wearing stackable rings, anything that kind of stands out, something a bit more unique. So I have actually selected 3 beautiful rings that I just can't wait to share with you. And they also sent me this incredible little case to put them in to keep them secure, and it's one of their leather pouches, which I didn't know they did. So, you know, I'm really grateful that you sent me this, Linjer, because very happy about it. But I haven't opened this, by the way, because I thought I could do it on camera, but it's like this, and it has their wonderful logo on the clasp of the zip, and then when you open it up, it looks like that. I mean, that is just stunning, right? So I'm super excited about that because I get to put in my jewellery and I get to travel with it, and I just think it's a really nice addition when you're buying their jewellery, because you're investing in something wonderful, you're investing in a brand that's obviously very ethical, and their jewellery is just gorgeous. And you'll now see that I'm telling you the truth, because we're going to do some try-ons. So the first ring that I ordered, and I bought this specifically because my maiden name is Chand. So Chand means moon. So I'm very into kind of like moonstones. Don't judge me, it's just a thing. So I ordered their Serena moonstone ring, and I ordered it in the size 5. And this is what it looks like. By the way, they all come in this gorgeous little pouch. It has their branding on, but it just keeps them secure. So I would keep these. Obviously, if you don't ever order a case, you've got these little pouches that they come in, they'll keep things secure. So it's just a nice little touch. And then inside of the pouch, by the way, it has kind of like basically a bit more about their story, their sustainability goals, so you can kind of read more about it yourself, but I will link everything below and add it onto the screen for you. Anyway, so this is the first ring. Unbelievably stunning, and it's called the Moonstone, and it just fits my hand just perfectly. I am just in awe of it. Like, it's just one of those ones where obviously you can wear it on its own. It looks very elegant. I feel like it's, if I'm going to a wedding or I'm dressing up, or like, I will just wear this because it is a statement piece of jewellery, and it just looks so gorgeous. Yeah, it's beautiful. I am honestly just obsessed with that. Next, I have the Celeste studded ring. Now, what I really loved about this one, this is also in a size 5, is how simple this was. So I like simple statement pieces, and then I also like kind of like very beautifully kind of gemstone rings. But this for me was just like stunning. As you can see, it's just like a simple gold band, and it's got like a few gemstones kind of dotted around. So it looks just really elegant. You can kind of wear it on its own. I just like it that you could just, it's just a really nice kind of simple statement piece, but it is just absolutely gorgeous. It's quite a thin band ring, so obviously you can wear that. And then if I wanted to, I could take the Moonstone ring and kind of stack them if I wanted to stack them, or I can obviously wear them both individually. So lastly, this is the one ring that I'm super excited about. I love the other 2, but this is the one that I saw and I thought, where have you been all my life? This is the mother of pearl margit ring in gold vermeil, and it's a size 6. So I got it in a size 6 because I wanted a ring that would fit my index finger or my middle finger, and I think this will work really well. how beautiful is that? It's so elegant. I love how thin the band is again. Similar to the Celeste studded ring. I think they'll actually work really well together. Like I could literally wear them together. So like I could wear them on one hand and you can kind of like stack them like that. Or obviously I can wear it individually and I think it looks really nice. Or I could put it on this finger and space them out and it would just look really nice. Like I love that it's given me kind of a bit more flex, a bit more options in terms of which finger I can wear it on. But I am so obsessed with this ring. I'm obsessed with all the rings. I just think they're so beautiful. So that is my Linjer haul. I am so happy with what I've got. I am completely obsessed with every single one of these pieces of jewellery. I love rings, but I also like kind of, I mean, look. I just like how they look. I like how they wear on. They do stunning gold and silver jewellery. It's all 100% recycled material. I love the fact that the brand are so focused on how they can obviously save the planet and make sure that their products are ethically sourced, but also they're like designing and creating these beautiful, stunning pieces of jewellery. I'm in awe of them and I'm so grateful that they've obviously wanted to collaborate with me because just little old me, I'm very, very grateful and I'm also obsessed. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything that I've spoken about will be in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.